We welcome you to the exciting world of Amway. In this module, we will cover some key aspects about the Amway products and business, which you should be aware of as you start your Amway business. So let's start understanding Amway. Some of the salient features of the Amway business are: there is no cost to join the Amway business. Amway provides free training to all new joinees. There is no minimum purchase requirement to participate in the Amway business. All Amway products come with a money-back guarantee for 100% satisfaction of use. In addition, all new joinees are also provided a cooling-off period for 90 days from the date of joining. During this period, should you decide to exit the business, you will be eligible to return and get full refund for the products and material purchased from Amway. For more details, you can also visit www.amway.in. Amway was founded in 1959 and is now a market leader in direct sales globally and in India. It is present in more than 100 countries and territories, including the US, China, India, Russia, Japan, Korea, Thailand, Europe, and Australia. Amway provides unparalleled business opportunity to entrepreneurs who own and operate their own business. Amway manufactures over 500 nutrition, beauty, and home products globally, which are retailed by millions of Amway direct sellers across the world. Let's look at some significant milestones of Amway. The company has a global turnover of $8.8 billion. Amway has over 800 plus patents and more than 270 patents pending. Amway has paid the highest amount of commissions and incentives to its direct sellers than any other direct selling company in the world. Now, let's learn something about Amway India. Amway has been operational in India since 1998 and has a turnover of over 2,000 crores. It sells approximately 172 world-class products in the nutrition, home care, durables, beauty, Ayurveda, and personal care categories. Amway India has invested over 600 crore rupees to set up its own state-of-the-art manufacturing plant to augment the existing manufacturing base. Amway's manufacturing plant is among the first in India to comply with the most stringent international environment standards, and Amway is working towards a cleaner environment. It is also leveraging the digital technology, and over 1/3 of the sales is via www.amway.in, and this percentage is growing steadily. We are also working towards women empowerment, and nearly 2/3 of our active direct sellers are women. Amway conducts various CSR activities through which it has helped lakhs of individuals, especially children, over the years. Amway India is also working towards digitalization, and all the payments made to the direct sellers are made directly to their respective bank accounts. Amway India has more than 172 products in the nutrition, home care, durables, beauty, Ayurveda, and personal care categories. Amway's Nutrilite is the world's #1 selling vitamins and dietary supplements brand. Artistry is another Amway brand that is India's #1 premium skincare brand. As an Amway direct seller, you can generate income by retailing Amway products to the consumers. You can also register consumers as your preferred customer who can order and receive products directly through Amway. You can also introduce new people to the business and create a sales team that can replicate the above activities and earn money. In the Amway business, you can generate income, get recognition, and get invitation for business trips by selling quality Amway products. The first way that you can earn money in the Amway business is through retail margin, which is the difference between your selling price and your purchase price, also known as DAP. As an Amway direct seller, you determine the price you charge up to maximum retail price, or MRP, for the products. When you sell products to customers above DAP, you keep the retail margin. The second way that you can generate income is through trade discount, given to Amway direct sellers when they purchase products from Amway for retailing. The third way to generate income is through the Amway direct seller compensation plan. Amway offers an attractive reward program to recognize and reward your hard work and achievements. You generate points on products purchased to resell. The commissions that Amway gives are based on the points generated through product sales by you and the sales team that you may build. There are various types of commission that can be earned. The fourth way that you can generate income is through the Core Plus Discretionary Income Program that rewards you from your first sale, and the rewards keep increasing as you build your business using the right business practices. As mentioned earlier, you generate points on products purchased to resell. The more products you resell, the more points you generate, the more commission you earn. This is the core plan of Amway. For example, if you and your sales team generate 200 points, total monthly commission distributed to you and your team will be 3% of total net sales volume. If you and your team generate 600 points, total monthly commission distributed to you and your team will be 6% of total net sales volume. The percentage commission increases as you generate more points and goes up to 21%. Your success is seen by your customers and others, and they may also want to join as Amway direct sellers. You can make them a part of your sales team, and they can replicate your selling efforts to earn money. However, it's important to know that commissions only get generated when you resell Amway products. Amway does not pay any commissions for the sheer act of building the sales team without any product sales. Amway's Core Plus Discretionary Incentive Program complements the core plan and provides various incentives throughout your journey. Customer Sales Incentive is one of the monthly discretionary incentives available through the Amway Core Plus program that helps you generate additional income for the eligible purchases made by your preferred customers. You can earn CSI from first month till 9% of your sales commission level. The Bronze Foundation Incentive is the first discretionary incentive that rewards you for building your business by selling to customers and helping at least your personally sponsored 3 team members to do the same. You can earn this incentive when you reach at a minimum of 9% sales commission level and fulfill the defined criteria for the incentive. Bronze Builder Incentive is the first discretionary incentive that offers a PIN based on certain qualifications. You can earn this incentive when you reach at a minimum of 15% sales commission level and fulfill the defined criteria for the incentive. The screen shows an example where you have achieved 3% commission level in the Amway business. You have bought products worth 50 points. You have also some preferred customers or PCs who have bought products worth 200 points. Your total team points are 250. The commissions that you earn are personal sales commission, which is for the points that you have earned, and differential sales commission, which is based on the points that your team has earned. Along with that, you also earn the retail profit and the trade discounts for eligible orders. In addition to this, you also earn the customer sales incentive as a part of the Core Plus Discretionary Incentive Program. In this case, the total earnings are Rs 4,120, excluding the applicable taxes and discounts. In this example, you have reached the 9% level, as you and your team have earned 1,260 team points. As in the previous example, the commissions that you earn are personal sales commission and differential sales commission. Along with that, you also earn the retail profit and the trade discounts for eligible orders. You also earn the customer sales incentive for the eligible purchases made by your preferred customers and Bronze Foundation incentive as you have fulfilled the criteria for it. In this case, the total earnings are Rs 11,059, excluding the applicable taxes and discounts. You can earn 15% commission level in the business if you have earned more than 4,000 team points. In this example, you and your team have earned 4,250 points. Like previous examples, you earn the personal sales commission, differential sales commission, retail profit, and trade discount for eligible orders. You also earn the Bronze Foundation incentive as a part of the Core Plus Discretionary Incentive Program. In addition to these, since you also meet the criteria for Bronze Builder incentive, you also earn rupees 5,592 for it. In this case, the total earnings are rupees 41,346, excluding the applicable taxes and discounts. You can reach the 21% commission level and can qualify as a silver producer in the business by earning 10,000 or more team points. In this example, you have reached the 21% commission level as you and your team have earned 10,050 points. Your total earnings in this example are rupees 94,208, excluding any applicable taxes and discounts. When you qualify as a silver producer and meet certain criteria, you are invited to a Go Platinum Forum conducted by Amway. As shown in the table on the screen, you can qualify as a silver producer by earning 10,000 team points in a calendar month. If you have 3 such months during a period of 12 months, you become a gold producer. You qualify as a new platinum by maintaining 6 silver producer months for 6 months, 3 of which must be consecutive within the most recent 12-month period. As you grow your business, you are also responsible for mentoring and coaching your teams to grow. The next levels in the business can be achieved based on the number of teams that you have who qualify for these levels. For example, an emerald level can be reached by having 3 sales teams under you that have qualified at 21% level for at least 6 months each in a performance year. Similarly, the diamond level can be reached by having 6 such teams under you. When any of the achievements mentioned earlier is attained for 12 months in a performance year, it is called a founder's qualification. For more details on achievement levels and commissions, please refer to amway.in. Contact the nearest Amway office or the Amway direct seller who spoke to you about the Amway business. With Amway, you can earn money based on your work. The more you work, the more you earn. Here are some examples of the income opportunities that you get when you join the Amway business. As shown on the screen, at Founders Platinum level in the Amway business, average income is rupees 73,319 per month and rupees 8.8 lakhs annually. Similarly, at Founders Emerald level, average income is rupees 2.56 lakhs monthly and rupees 30.70 lakhs annually. And at Founders Diamond level, average income is rupees 5.58 lakhs monthly and rupees 66.96 lakhs annually. These incomes are actual average incomes earned in the performance year September 2017 to August 2018. However, there is no cap on the actual income at any particular level. These incomes exclude retail income, trade discounts, Core Plus incentives, and other sales incentives. When you reach the 21% sales commission level or higher in the Amway business, you are eligible to receive the annual leader incentives as a part of the Core Plus discretionary incentive plan. These incentives reward your proven skills to set and achieve goals, build your teams, and help other team members to do the same. Personal Group Growth Incentive is there to help you earn additional money as you aim for Founders Platinum. By teaching qualified teams to do the same, you can earn the Frontline Growth Incentive. This will help you on your way to Diamond and beyond. 2-time cash incentive rewards leaders who achieve new levels for the first time and re-qualify the next year. The screen shows an example of an Amway direct seller who became a new silver producer in August 2019 and goes on to become a new Founders Platinum in performance year 2020. Based on his and his team's performance, he was able to generate an annual income of rupees 8,55,360 through the core plan. In addition to this, he was also able to generate an income of rupees 7,50,176. And as a result, his total income was rupees 16,05,536. As you grow your Amway business, you can reach new achievement levels associated with greater rewards. You can get there by helping your team to increase their sales turnover and productivity of their groups. As mentioned earlier, you can earn the retail margin, trade discount and personal sales commission for the products sold by you and earn the differential sales commission for the products sold by your team. In addition to that, you can also earn enhanced sales commission, group development commission, leadership development commission, higher achievement commissions, 2-time cash awards for global award recognition, and Founders Achievement Awards. In addition to these, you can also generate income through the Core Plus Discretionary Incentive Program and earn Customer Sales Incentive, Bronze Foundation Incentive, Bronze Builder Incentive, Personal Group Growth Incentive, Frontline Growth Incentive, and 2-time cash incentives. Amway India also invites you to various business seminars and forums in and out of India based on your level of achievement in the business. The New Platinum Forum is a business seminar that is held in a foreign location. You are invited to attend this forum if you achieve 6 silver producer months in a performance year, out of which 3 months are consecutive. Amway India also conducts the Amway Leadership Business Seminar each year at a foreign location. You can be a part of this seminar if you meet the qualification criteria for the seminar. In addition to that, Amway India also conducts Diamond Invitational trips for the Diamond qualifiers in the business. These trips are held at different foreign locations each year. For more details, please visit www.amway.in. So, here are some of the top reasons you may consider joining the Amway business. Amway has some of the world-class and reliable quality products that you sell to the consumers. The rewards commensurate to performance for over 60 years across the globe. In the Amway business, sky is the limit to earn income based on your hard work and efforts. The Amway business is an equal opportunity business, and people from all walks of life, any educational or economic background, can take up the business and succeed. Amway business provides flexibility. You can work when you want to, how you want, and from where you want. Your Amway business can also be your legacy business, and you can transfer the business to your children. The Amway business helps you with your personal development. You can develop yourself as you develop others. In this business, your achievements are recognized through different platforms. The Amway business provides you the opportunity to travel around the world, as you are invited to various business seminars based on your achievements. And last but not the least, you are never alone in the Amway business. You always get support from your sales team and Amway. When you join the Amway business, we provide you digital support through the Amway app and website, provide you education and training both offline and online, and are available to answer your queries through our call center and through Amway.in. We also have stores and warehouses spread across the country to support your business and to deliver products directly to your home. Social responsibility and cause championship is an integral part of Amway India ethos since its inception in 1998 and has been crafted to constructively and consistently give back to the society and contribute to the social well-being. Amway India's CSR initiatives are based on the belief that social responsibility is much more than the incurrence of a cost or a resource or a charitable or philanthropic act of social benefit. It is an opportunity to bring in social innovation and change. This belief is articulated in Amway's vision of helping people live better lives and enable the less privileged section of the society, especially children, to lead a better life. To summarize, Amway business is free to join. Amway products come with money-back guarantee for 100% satisfaction of use. New joinees are provided cooling off period of 90 days. You earn on the sale of Amway products. No sale, no commissions. The sheer act of sponsoring doesn't generate any income for any Amway direct seller. Scenarios of how Amway sales plan works and potential income earning at different achievement levels. This session provides complete clarity on the Amway business, including how to earn in Amway business. Now that you know about Amway, we hope it has motivated you to join us.